Today we're fitting some infinity roof lights from TuffX. This is the frame version, designed for really low pitched roofs. It's a really easy process. You get a good bead of sealant all the way round. So we pipe it in and then we simply lower it into position, and then we come 100mm in and put some stainless screws with some caps on.
TuffX approved 2 fixing methods for these framed roof lights: external fixing and internal fixing, and which one you use often comes down to sequencing and access. With external fixing, a continuous bead of silicone is applied to the top of the upstand and the roof light frame is lowered over the kerb. The timber kerb needs a minimum 5-degree pitch to shed water properly and a minimum 150mm height. That pitch is non-negotiable. Without it, water will sit on the glass, dirt builds up and problems follow later. This is a framed, fixed roof light designed for flat or very low pitch roofs, and it's supplied as a complete unit ready to go in. The aluminium frame is then drilled and fixed through into the timber at regular intervals using packers to avoid distortion, and finished with fixing caps. This method allows you to get the roof watertight quickly from above, which is often what matters on site. The alternative is internal fixing. In this case, fixing straps are attached to the underside of the frame, the unit is positioned over the upstand, and those straps are secured from inside the building. It's a useful option where external access is limited, or where you want to keep the external waterproofing undisturbed.
Where we got to, we just piped in the silicone round, or the sealant round. We offered them all down, checked inside, and this one was just sitting up because of the upstand was just ever so slightly too small once it was felted. So I decided to strip off the felt 80mm down from the top and put some lead round it because it's thinner and it would sit nicely. So because we done this one, I wanted them all to match, so we done them all. But it absolutely poured with rain, and obviously you couldn't be filming, so we got it done, reseated them, and now we've just got to screw them up. So that's the reason for the lead. Your upstands need to be a 5-degree pitch to shed the water off the top. You want them square and weather tight. These skylights are so easy to fit. You literally put some sealant round, drop them into place. They are heavy, so you will need some bodies to help you, and then you go around with some screws. So they're ever so easy to fit, provided your upstands are nicely square. Get in. These are stainless steel, so they need to be stainless steel. They're in a little cap, which is anthracite to match the frame. And these are 60mm long, so you get a real good fixing into the upstand. There we go, last one. Job done. These are quite heavy units, so we had 4 people. The smaller one, we just had 2 to manoeuvre it into place.
From a performance point of view, the standard double glazed units achieve a centre pane U value of 1.2 watts per square metre Kelvin, which comfortably meets current building regs. If you need more, there are triple glazed options that go down to 0.7, which can make sense on higher spec or noise sensitive jobs. There are also options for sound reduction and solar control coatings, but the key thing here is that the thermal and structural performance is built in. You're not trying to improve it on site.
Once your roof light's all installed, it really increases the light inside. It's an incredible transformation. But like all things, the preparation is key.
TuffX have been making glass in the UK for nearly 30 years, and these infinity roof lights are built and assembled in their own facility in Merseyside. From the logistics side, standard sizes are kept in stock, bespoke sizes are available, and deliveries handled in-house. Typical lead times are 3 to 4 working days, with express options if you're under time pressure, and each unit comes with a 10-year guarantee.
Get your upstand pitch right, seal it up right, and drop them in, and you'll be good to go.
To find out more about the TuffX range of roof lights, there's a link in the description. And if you're looking for something specific, Skill Builder now has over 1,200 videos. The playlists and search feature make it easy to find exactly what you need.